So now that we are getting pretty far along with our project, I want to go ahead and get ourselves set up to where we can, package the game and, test to make sure everything's actually working. Now, to begin, what I want to do is basically these three here, and that's kind of it before we package. So we need to compile out the debug traces, and I want to add a option to toggle draw debug on and off inside of the actual ability. We need to make sure we remove our empty tag table, which is in the project settings that we made very early on and then removed. And then lastly, just fix up any redirectors that we may have. So starting with the bottom one, because that one requires code changes, we are basically wanting to only compile this line here if we are in the editor. So if we package the game, we do not want to draw this debug sphere. This will cause issues because in packaged builds, this does not actually exist. So to begin, let's go ahead and make our property. So go to the header file here, make a new U property, and we're going to do bool b draw debug trace and set it to false by default. Now we also want to compile this code out because we don't need this variable to exist in the final binary. It's just here for debugging. So with properties in the Unreal Header tool that is looking specifically for the metadata here, we are going to use #if with editor only data. And then we just end if at the end. So the Unreal Header tool is going to require, so basically think of it like this. If you're marking properties and you want them to be compiled out or only compiled in the editor, use with editor only data. Then in terms of code, you have two options. As far as I know, I think they do kind of the same thing here, but you have with editor and with editor only data. I typically keep it separate and use just with editor for actual code changes. So #end if. And now we can grab our B draw debug trace inside of our with editor. I don't know what we actually call this, if defined. I don't entirely know what it's actually called. We want to do if B draw debug trace. Then we just simply draw the debug swept sphere. So once we have that, let's go ahead, compile, and launch to the editor. Okay, once we're back in the editor, let's go ahead and remove the empty tag table. So go to project settings, gameplay tags, and gameplay tag table list. We have nothing, so we can just wipe it clean, and then fix up redirectors. So let's click on our content folder, update redirector references, and here we have one that doesn't exist anymore, so we can delete the reference. So now that we have that, we can quite frankly just delete this temp firearm and the temp bar. And are these used anywhere? I'm trying to think, which curve was the barricade actually using? So temp location curve. Okay, so it is actually using these, so we're going to leave them. We're not using the temp rotation curve though, so we can get rid of it. Oh yeah, so we're just using this guy here, which we need to organize at some point. Just fix up, save all, make sure we're good to go. And now we can come down, do a shipping package. So I'm going to clear the log and wait for it to complete. Now I've already cooked this, so it should be relatively quick. Okay, so the packaging just finished and we built successfully. So let's skim through it. So we have some warnings here regarding, so this doesn't really affect us. It's not our stuff. We have a whole host of them. However, these can be ignored for now. Basically what these are is these are for notifies. There's just no gameplay tag set for the actual footsteps. And basically these are used to just trigger audio. So, every time you take a step, you play a sound. So we can actually ignore this chunk here because it's for every animation. All right, had to turn the oven off. But this is just going to be for every locomotion animation we have. So again, we can ignore that for now, and we'll end up setting that up at some point so we can actually have, footstep audio. Keep going down, same thing. So we can ignore these. And that is it. So we really don't have anything that we need to fix up. Next up, let's go ahead and go to our packaged folder here and launch it. Now we just want to make sure that this does work. basically as it does in Editor. And seemingly it is. So I can shoot, I can aim, I have full auto, I have semi auto, and all of that. So everything here seems good to go. All right. So now that that is out of the way, we know we are in a good spot. So I'll see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.